What the hell? He's on time? It's crazy. Hola, ¿cómo estás, putos? Ah! Look at this mother.
Yo,
there was a car.
Be lit.
Yeah, I didn't expect all these cars to start rolling up.
Look at this. Look at this. Oh! I love you.
Alrighty then.
Man, this is perfect. We got another stop. That's the homie, I forgot his name. But we got one more stop after this, and then we're going to the cruise. They starting their shenanigans early, bro.
Then
This mother
while in Gainesville, Virginia.
gang shit. No, that's Mike, but that's Mike too. No, no. Oh!
Krispy Kreme.
Oh!
I see Joey. I see Zach.
The new Mustangs. They like to hit people. Yeah. What does that mean, jet life? What? No. I mean, what? Why you just park like that? Alright, you know what? I love you too!
I forgot what it's called.
I don't know what's going on, but the homies here, you know who these are.
Pretty great right now, right there. $8,000.
Got the father, ram the daughter. This is what I've been waiting. This is what I've been waiting. Yes, baby, the fuck out of it. Come on.
Someone did upgrade. Fuck, I'm gonna send this to Bumblebee and get a GTR.
That's not them though. I haven't seen this fool in like forever. Hold up, that's not him. Oh, it is him. This guy is like driving around in circles. I don't know why. Hey yo, can y'all please explain to me, like, why do y'all drive around at car meets? Why do y'all like drive around in circles? Like what's the purpose of it? Why do y'all do that? Please explain to me.
See,
They're predators, so they have to stalk the prey.
Hey, get on my vlog!
Sorry,
I'm just calling you too. Hola! Cause I just I think that's her, I don't know. Yo, what's up?
My caliber.
I didn't even know that was him. Like, what the fuck?
Go home.
Did you have it on the way here?
I don't know. It's
Him by himself.
Straight, bro. See, y'all trying to kill me.
Hey, look! Bro! I love you. What? You see this?
I'm walking. Can't you see?
She just attacked me.
I did not. You started it. You silencio. Cállate.
Oh! Oh!
yeah, es Clementon que me manda.
Do it again. I'm just here. What the fuck? That versus that. What's up though?
Fuck, that hurt. What's up? Where's Big at?
I don't even know.
Damn, that hurt.
I know, bro.
I know y'all heard that shit.
Hell. Gang shit. Fucking Mopars, man.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candle slit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, down is made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.